special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest.
What's up, you guys? It's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to give you guys just some more cleaning motivation. I'm going to speed clean the house. I'm going to be taking care of the living room, the entryway, the dining room, and the kitchen. That is my son Joshua, who you just saw peeking in. So I hope you guys are well. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming to check out my video today. I hope that you'll take a look around and see if this channel interests you enough to click that subscribe button. And if you have been rocking with me for a while now, thank you so much for coming back. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section. Leave me any questions that you have. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So let's get into it.
Best friend, I'm big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Oh, yeah. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way, and everything is alright. I like how you doing, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend, I'm big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise.
So again, if this is your first time here, welcome. I just want to briefly introduce myself. My name is Tamara, and I am a wife, a working mom of 2 boys, ages 16 and 10, and I create cleaning videos as well as organization, DIY, just about anything that comes to mind for your home. I put that on this channel. So if you're interested in videos like those, please consider subscribing. I would really love to have you here. Also, leave me a comment in the comment section letting me know that you are new. I would love to chat with you and say hello.
Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no.
He got it out for me, you know. He's such a lion searching prey. Sweet talking dirty on the floor. Look like an honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no, so spit it out to my face. It's okay, I've been busy working late, unrehearsing my fate, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. I'm busy loving myself. I've been prioritizing, and you don't make it on that list. Don't get offended, baby. It's just a
So now that the living room is done, I didn't have a lot to do in there. I'm moving on to the entryway. I'm just gonna get everything dusted off. We don't come through the front door, but it just tends to get a lot of dust in this area. So I hadn't done it in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. I've been thinking about just kind of refreshing the entryway, but I'm not sure what I want to do right now. But for now, you know, it's fine. But I just want something different, you know. Sometimes, you know, you want something different, but you just don't know what. So that's the space that I'm in now. So actually these little storage bins, they have like toys in there when Joshua was little, because our nieces and come over and they're small. So we tend to keep these in here for them if they want to play with them. But after a while, I think I'm going to have to purge them. I just maybe find some other place for them. So now we're in the dining room. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my e-cloths to clean off the table. So basically I purchased, if you didn't see in some videos back, I purchased the glass and polishing kit from e-cloth, and I love it, y'all. Like, I don't ever want to use Windex or anything like that again. So I'm not sure how long these cloths last or whatever, or hold up. And I guess I'm having to be particular with how I wash them, because I absolutely love them, y'all. I get the greatest shine and see-through glass that I've never gotten before using Windex, Method glass cleaner, any other glass cleaner, the Dollar Tree kind, like none of them, y'all. Like, I've been getting, especially my mirrors, like clear glass, like you can stick your hand through. So if you have been hesitant about trying their products, like I said, this is the only one that I've tried. I'm gonna try to purchase the general purpose cloths. But in me, you know, I tend to want real life, non-sponsored reviews before I purchase something. So I'm not gonna tell y'all something that I wouldn't want for myself. So I'm just telling you, if you hadn't tried it and you've been thinking about it, at least try these, because they will eliminate that cost of Windex or whatever, you know, you use to clean your glass. So just letting you know, I do like them.
Distract me when I'm trying to focus, 'cause I can get you out of my head, baby. Don't know how to deal with this feeling.
So now we're in the kitchen. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the dishwasher unloaded. I didn't have a whole bunch of dishes this time, but the ones that I do, I'm gonna get those put in the dishwasher, and then I'll just wait to run it later.
Can't stop falling for you. Can't stop falling for you.
So this cabinet that's above the sink, look for an upcoming video where I will be decluttering my cabinets, y'all. I hate all these cups, memorabilia cups that are in this cabinet, and sometimes they end up falling on my head when I am putting dishes away. So I'm gonna have to get rid of those. So I am trying to declutter some areas of the house. So look for my next video after this one. It will also be a decluttering video of my laundry room, and it's also a collab. So make sure you have your notification bell turned on so that you will be alerted when that video is uploaded. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the microwave while I'm cleaning this area. I've been trying to stay on top of it because I let it go so long before and it took elbow grease to get it clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray some spray in here and get it wiped down to prevent me having to do that again.
Give me something, give me something.
I also realized that it had been a while, a couple weeks or so, since I washed my kitchen rug or mat. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in the wash real quick. And I've noticed that in my rug, it has a lot of like sand, like grit in it. Like, does yours do that? Or is it just me? I'm like, I don't even know why. I don't even know. But that's something that I noticed when I shake it out. It's like little sand particles or something like that in there. Yeah, I don't know what that is. So I noticed while sweeping over in this area that the wall behind the trash can just had like food and stuff on it. I guess from throwing stuff away or whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some Lysol and get that cleaned up really good. This trash can I have got to replace. I don't like the little swing little thing or whatever, the swing door on it. So I'm in search for another trash can, and I think because of that, this happens, you know. So, and then also in the handle, I think you're just supposed to lift it up, but food gets stuck in there. So that's what I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that up or whatever. So I'm in search for a stainless steel trash can, the touchless kind. So I'm in search for one of those.
Got me going crazy, finding these neon lights.
So I finally found my soft scrub. I'm so excited to have some soft scrub in this house, y'all. Okay, so I know I tried the barkeeper's friend, and I know you guys love it. Some of you guys love it, and it will be my backup, but this is my first go-to. If you have not used soft scrub for your sink and your cooktop, you are missing out, y'all. One, it smells good. Two, it's not gritty. You don't have to necessarily dry out if you don't want to. It gives you that shine. I've even used it on my refrigerator before. That's before I found out the Indust does well. So if you have not tried it, y'all, just try it out, you know, and see if you like it. You know, you may not like it better than the barkeeper's friend, but me personally, I do, and I'm so happy to have it back.
That you don't feel the same way as I do, but there's something about you, and I want it. I could get you off my mind, but to tell the truth, I don't know how. Girl, you get me up all night.
So I saw this Fabuloso in Walmart, and I needed some more cleaner for my mop water when I mop my floor. So I said I'll try it. Okay, it's not the greatest. Like, it doesn't smell the greatest either. I don't know. It cleaned well. My floor didn't have it didn't feel like it had a film or anything on there. It felt really light, you know, when you walk on it or whatever. But yeah, the smell's just not that great. And it is like a concentrate. It's like a thicker formula than the regular Fabuloso. So I don't know if that had something to do with it. But I don't think I'll be trying this one again.
Girl, get me up all night.
right, you guys, that is it for this video. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Hopefully you got up and cleaned something, or you will after this. But anyway, I do appreciate you being here. So thank you as always. Blessings to you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.